Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add location to Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon and select your reel, and I'm going to capturing a dummy reel here. And after capturing your reel, tap on preview and tap on next, and now tap on add location and search for the location you want to add to your story. And that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.